Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Monday, and it is a 3-layer cake. Oh, I've been making bath bombs and it wore off my nail polish. A 3-layer cake. First layer is, actually let me just tell you what's really happening. Okay, I'm tired. I'm at my parents' house. It's Thursday. I'm making this video for Monday, and on Friday it's my last day here, and on Saturday I go home to pack to go on vacation, and we're going to be in the mountains to see the change of the leaves for a whole week, and I'm really excited about it. But I've been putting off making videos because I've had too many things going on here. Today, while the housekeeper was at Mom and Dad's house, I was able to get away with my 2 sisters, and we went to make some fun things at this little place where we make soap and different things like that. So today we made bath bombs, and they're so awesome and they smell so good. I didn't use gloves, excuse me, and so this it's my left hand, but I don't know why I took the nail polish off of those 2 nails, and the rest of them look really ratty. So that's the way I'm going to look in your Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday videos, because I'm going to make them all right now. I'm disciplining myself to do that. Okay, so now you know the background, so let's start over. Hello, Fly Babies. Hello, patrons. It's me, your Flylady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Monday, and we have a 3-layer cake. The first layer is our 5 routines. What are the routines? The morning routine for yourself and your babies, the laundry routine, the paper routine, the after dinner routine, and the before bed routine. Now, these first 3 happen in the morning unless you work outside the home as a payroll fly baby. Then only this first one, the morning routines, happen in the morning, and all the rest happen when you come home from work or before bed, okay? All right. The second layer of our cake today is weekly home blessing hour. That is 6 steps of 10 minutes each or less, totaling an hour or less. And there are what I call 3 baby jobs and 3 big girl jobs. The baby jobs are empty all the little garbage cans in your house. Baby job. Second baby job, take your Flylady feather duster and feather dust the whole house. Baby job. The third baby job, take a microfiber towel, get half of it wet, squeeze it out, have a dry part and a wet part, go in the bathroom and say, there's some spots right there, and there's one there, and wait, there's one there. The end. If you need to, flip it around and dry it. But we're not doing the whole mirror. Do that to every mirror and every piece of glass in your house that is used by the main household. So don't worry about a mirror in the guest room because it's not used, so don't have to worry about that. You're just going to look at your bathroom mirrors, and then maybe you have a glass tabletop, maybe you have a sliding glass door that the dog mashes its nose on, or the kids have put their hands on. Maybe the side lights beside your front door if you have those where little kids have put their hands. That's it. It takes that long. So those are your 3 baby jobs. Then you have your 3 big girl jobs. They are the hard surfaces or soft surfaces of your floor. So if you have a hard surface and it's not the kitchen or the bathrooms, you're going to dust mop that one. If you have a carpeted surface, then you're going to vacuum. But the combination of dust mopping and vacuuming take 10 minutes or less. I know you have 2 stories, that's fine. 5 minutes upstairs, 5 minutes downstairs. We are not perfectionist cleaning. In fact, we're not cleaning at all. We're blessing, and you're just going to hit the highlights, okay? So that's one of the big girl jobs. The second big girl job is to mop the kitchen and the bathrooms. 10 minutes or less total, yes. And the third one, my mother's calling me, so just bear with me. The third one is, let's see, dusting, vacuuming, mopping, stripping your bed, and putting the sheets in the washer, and later making the bed. I'm going to place you on hold. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Food was boiling over on the stove. All right, then after you've done your weekly home blessing hour, the third part of your 3-layer cake is the zone. And the zone we're in this week is zone number 2, the kitchen. So we're going to work on, excuse me, I dropped my pen. Okay, I'm not going to even fix this. You get to see the real me. Hold on. Okay, I am recording this for zone 2, the kitchen. So you're going to do 15 minutes in the kitchen if you have clutter, or you're going to do 10 minutes if you're doing a deep clean in your kitchen. And you're only going to do one thing in the kitchen for 4 days this week. Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. 10 minutes or less if it's a deep clean item, and 15 minutes if it, and not less than, not more than, 15 minutes of decluttering. And then, and then you have to complete the process. Okay, so that's it. That's what we have to do on Monday. Now, don't forget that in the day, we're going to do 3 different times a clutter check. That's simply looking at those places that you've recently cleaned, that you want to keep clutter-free, or spaces on the floor that you want to keep clutter-free, where kids drop their shoes, their coats, their backpacks, where you dump your purse, the dog's leash, the groceries that you didn't put away, whatever, that's clutter, and you want to get it taken care of. So 3 times a day, you're going to see with new eyes what you've done and what your family's done in mindless clutter. No judgment, no meanness, just a simple, hey guys, look what we've done. Look, this is how our house got messy. So you look and see if you find anything else that I left. I found this, because look and see, and I'm going to look and see anything that you've left, and then I want you to clean up yours and I'll clean up mine. Okay. That's how you do it. So 3 of those a day. And then don't forget always remember to look at your planner twice a day, in the morning and before bed. Okay? All right, that's it for today. I want you to have a fantastic day. And always remember that you are beautiful.